Transmission lines, core infrastructure for the development of humanity since 1879 or even before. Transmission line systems around the world began being a technological boom late of the 19th century, which allowed darkness not to be an obstacle for the development of the world as we know it nowadays. However, many of these infrastructures have exceeded the limit of their service life, and many more are about to exceed this limit, putting the sustainability of several communities at risk and even putting public safety at risk as well. The world, in general, faces the challenge of not only updating or repowering the existing lines in different countries, but its total reconstruction to be updated to the current requirements of electrical load, mechanical load, because actual design conditions are completely different from those under which in that then they were originally designed. Due to this reason, it is necessary to accept the reality and importance of this topic very seriously, so it is a titanic task, impossible to evade and imperative, which requires a lot of work, effort and dedication, but above all, theoretical knowledge, and is here where there is a slight and huge problem. Even though we are in the 21st century and in the computing age, there is not enough technical design information, or it's very difficult to find it. On the other hand, transmission lines design is a very specialized discipline and low diffused by educational institutions. Therefore, there are not enough engineers or technicians around the world with the necessary technical knowledge in the state of the art, because this is an art, of designing transmission lines to face the future and practically immediate workload around the globe. I'm Sergio Gomez, transmission lines design engineer since 1992, lover of challenging transmission lines projects, training and everything related with the energy industry. I welcome you to Transmission Lines Engineering TV, the first YouTube channel focused on the training of future generations of engineers and technicians in transmission lines design, underground and SF6 gas lines. In this channel, we talk not only about lines design, but the sequence and techniques of design, optical fiber engineering, structure spotting, sag and tensions, structures designs, hardware assemblies, underground lines, gas lines, administration of engineering information, site visit strategies, among other topics. Whether you are a student interested in entering to work into this exciting, challenging and rewarding industry, or have previous experience and want to expand or confirm your knowledge, this channel is for you. Subscribe.